My man Barry has done it again with the Wild Creations, guys. This time we've got our double Amigo burner on an off-road pack. You just got a fryer on it. It's wild. Let's check it out. So guys, you can see how we do our off-road chassis here. All three-dimensional fabricated parts, powder-coated gloss black. Of course, we got the upgraded chrome wheels and tires on this bad boy. We did do a stainless steel shelf up front here. He's got a tow hook on his handle here. That way you can hook it up to his golf cart, tow it around. Not street legal, guys, if you can't tell, all right? Golf cart only. Now on the double Amigo, we did add our lid to it. So that lifts up. We've got two 10-inch cast iron burners underneath here. Regulators out front, sets you a potter pan up here, or we've got a big 1/4-inch plate steel griddle top. Goes on top of both of them. Knock some smash burgers out on this bad boy. Of course, it's got the Team G Pits Tell Truth thermometers there up front. Then next to that, we've got our 6-gallon double basket Cajun fryer here. You got two propane tank mounts on the back, regulator for the fryer back there. Knock out some fries on that while you're doing your smash burgers. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a crazy custom rig built, you know who to call. Team G Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.